Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a critical reality check on the massive digital gaming marketplace G2G, resolving the ultimate question haunting every gamer looking for cheap items. Is this platform a completely legitimate haven for budget deals or an unpolished, high-risk gray market scam? Mechanically, G2G itself is not an outright criminal scam. It operates as a fully registered, long-standing middleman platform connecting global buyers with thousands of independent third-party vendors selling in-game currency, rare character accounts, boosting services, and skin keys. The platform implements an official security framework known as Gamer Protect, which functions as an active escrow system, meaning when you authorize a purchase, your funds are held securely by the site and are only released to the vendor after you log in and explicitly confirm that the goods were delivered exactly as advertised. However, stepping into this marketplace demands an incredibly sharp understanding of the distinct, frustrating loopholes that routinely trap unsuspecting players and draw massive community backlash. Because you are dealing with unvetted individual sellers, the raw transactional risk is exceptionally high. A major structural flaw reported across global forums is that rogue vendors can deliver an account or currency, wait for you to click complete so they can instantly withdraw their cash, and then maliciously recall the account using original email recovery keys days later. When these delayed frauds occur, the platform's support framework frequently fails to protect the buyer, leaving you completely empty-handed with zero refund options if the seller has already cleaned out their balance. Ultimately, G2G is a legitimate but highly volatile marketplace, best reserved for small, non-critical gaming assets, where you can afford to lose a few dollars. If you decide to proceed, strictly minimize your risk by purchasing exclusively from established top-tier sellers with thousands of positive reviews, documenting your entire delivery process with continuous video capture, and avoiding high-value account purchases that can be easily reclaimed down the line. Weigh these structural escrow benefits against the severe long-term account recovery risks, select your vendors with absolute caution, and manage your online gaming transactions safely today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.